Hello, we're looking at DLR, week 31 answers. Please correct your answers in red pen. Okay, so day 1. How long can you leave out leftover food before it is dangerous to eat? Now, it's clearly a question because it has a question word, how. So you need a question mark. And we don't say dangerously because it's not an adverb, it's an adjective. The food is dangerous to eat. Okay? Number 2, meat and dairy should be put in the refrigerator within 2 hours. So we don't say between, we say within. And there's a homophone, T-O-O. We want T-W-O. Number 3. Foods such as bread and cake are perfectly safe at room temperature. So we're describing safe. Safe is the verb. We're using perfectly, the adverb, to describe the verb. Perfectly safe. Okay? It's modifying the adjective safe. I'm sorry, not the verb, the adjective. So it has to be an adverb. So adverbs modify verbs. They also modify adjective. And modify is a way of saying describe or to change. Number 4. However, baked goods will last longer if kept in the refrigerator. Baked goods will last longer if kept in the refrigerator. Okay, let's look at day 2. For 2 years, Ricardo has taken trombone lessons from Ms. Dunn. For 2 years, Ricardo has taken trombone lessons from Ms. Dunn, period. Number 2, she says he plays amazingly. Okay, so here we have a verb. Okay, plays. How does he play? Amazingly, adverb. And she convinced him to join the school band. Okay, number 3, answers will vary. Means your answers will be different. Although Ricardo felt nervous at the first class, he played well. Something like that. Number 4, study is to knowledge as practice is to ability. If you study, right, your knowledge goes up. If you practice, your ability also increases. Okay, let's look at day 3. Day 3. Local agriculture officials have combed the area looking for Japanese beetles. Number 2, this type of beetle doesn't have any natural enemies in the United States. Number 3, the beetles are considered especially dangerous to produce farms. Number 4, officials told farm owners what to do to keep the beetle population low. It says answers may vary. The original one said you need to clarify the meaning. It said officials told farm owners what they can do to keep the beetle population low. We're not sure in the sentence if they is the farm owners or if they is the officials. Okay, so we need to make sure they is probably the farm owners. So saying what to do is more clear. But your answer could be a little bit different. Okay, day 4. Yesterday, Bill was running late. so he asked his big brother to walk his dog. Okay, how do we know it's asked? Because it was yesterday. Okay, so it matches the tense. We're in the past. Mark took the dog to the park, but Gypsy slipped out of her collar and ran off. Okay, so we have past tense, past tense, past tense, and of course, comma conjunction. Bill started to cry when Mark told him what had happened. Is this to clarify? When Mark told Bill what had happened, he started to cry? Well, which he? Is it Mark or is it Bill? Who's going to cry? Mark or Bill? Bill's the one who lost his dog, right? Okay, so Bill is going to cry. Number 4, Bill and Mark immediately started looking for Gypsy. Okay, and again, this is an adverb describing when they started to look. Immediately. Okay, so out of 16, how did you do?